Welcome to the pinnacle of premier engineering solutions, Statcon Powtech. Groundbreaking innovation, meticulous planning, efficient production, all brought together by our visionary leaders, help create products that are the best in the world. We at Statcon Powtech believe in the sole principle of innovation. Innovation to drive the nation forward, to drive the world forward. Through our state-of-the-art research and development department, we are a pioneer in the solar and power electronics industries. With over 38 years of experience, if you have a problem, we have the answer. At Statcon Powtech, customer satisfaction is paramount. Our extensive after-sales support network spans across India, providing expert care and timely service to keep your systems running smoothly. Nestled in the heart of Noida, India, our state-of-the-art manufacturing plant is where innovations meets sustainability. Our advanced manufacturing processes are designed to withstand extreme environmental conditions, guaranteeing longevity and reliability. Blending passion with innovation gives us the underlying foundation of this enterprise, making sure that you go home with the answer to power the world. Our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility houses some of the world's best equipment to provide world-class solutions. Quality is our hallmark. Each product undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it meets global standards. The team comprises of some of the best minds in the nation, all to solve the problems of today's world, to solve your problems. Join us on our journey towards a cleaner, green tomorrow. commitment to excellence is evident in every product we create. Our team at Powtech functions like a family, each connected to each other, each working together to one common vision: powering a sustainable nation, powering a sustainable world. Our attention to detail and strict quality checks ensures that every product is perfect. A Statcon Powtech guarantee. Discover how Statcon Powtech can transform your energy needs with innovative solutions that are both reliable and sustainable. Thank you for visiting Statcon Powtech, where the future of energy is being shaped today.